What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to give everybody like a little rundown of my saddle setup and my method of climbing. So we'll jump right into it. I'm using a TX5 Reaper Saddle with an extended seat on it. I've got two large dump pouches on it. They've got 3 pockets apiece on the dump pouches, and I've got my tether in this pouch and my lineman's belt in the other. And I'll go ahead and put this on and give you guys a rundown. So the first thing you want to do is just step into it. Grab your buckles from both sides. Buckle it up. Right there, tight at the waist. Reach down. Grab your 2 buckles for your legs. Slip them in. Pull it tight. Grab your other one. Slip it in. Pull it tight once again. I think I've actually got this one reversed. Yep. And then what you want to do from there is just grab your bag. I'll grab it. And I'm running Hawk Helium minis, 20-inch, I believe the minis are. And I've got them on a Walmart bag, and it works really great. I'll take one stick off, and I've got them together using this little strap. Pull it right off, and they just pull apart like that right there. And what I've done is I've added my own custom aider to them. I'll show you that, guys. I've got it run through, knots tied on both sides. Got it run through, and it's about the length of the stick, the top of the stick. And so I'll go ahead and climb the tree, get the camera set up where you guys can see everything, and I'll go ahead and climb it one step up and show you guys how everything works. Now what I'm gonna do is put it about chin height probably. Take my strap around. Connect it right back here. Then you're going to want to cam it down. Make sure it's good and tight. Cam it down. And then I'm going to pull out of this dump pocket my lineman's belt. And what you're going to want to do is take your lineman's belt, run it through whichever side you prefer. Like that right there. Make sure that's good and tight. And then I can hop up on my first stick. After I throw the lineman's belt around the tree, come back to the other side and hook it right there. Raise it up. I can go ahead and take a step up. And then I'm up here. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to stay down low where you guys can see me. But once I got to my top stick, I'm going to go ahead and open up this other pouch, pull out my tether, and then throw it around the tree, come through my loop here, and pull it down tight. That way it's not going anywhere and I'm good and safe. And then hook it to your bridge. Now I can loosen my lineman's belt back up. I can take it off, and I'm not going anywhere. Now, once I got to the tree, I would take my lineman's belt off, or you can kind of throw it around your neck and put it back in its pouch, whatever you prefer. But that's just what I do. And your bridge is adjustable while you're in the tree. Everything's adjustable. You just take your weight off of it, slide it down. I can spin easy. I can do whatever. I can move around the tree. Whoops. Move around the tree however I want. And I'm good. Good to go. So I'll come back down and I'll show you guys a little more in detail about the saddle itself. But what I wanted to show you guys was something that I discovered that was pretty neat that I can do to get my sticks in and out of the tree. So basically what I've done on my saddle here, on this molly webbing, I've added some little things like this, some loops basically, and while my saddle is on, I can run these loops through the holes in my sticks, right like so, wrap it around there, and it pulls good and tight. As you can see right there, pulls good and tight. And then all I gotta do is loosen it and it comes right back through. So that's great. And then all my stuff packs right back up into my bag and I wear my saddle back out. I'll give you guys one more good look at my saddle. You've got these really cool buckles for your main belt, and you've got little ones for your leg straps. You've got an adjustable tether, or not tether, I'm sorry, your adjustable bridge right here with a prusik tied, and you've got a holder for the extra slack from your bridge. You can adjust where it's gripped at on your loops on your saddle, so you can adjust that. That's really cool. And guys, I love this thing. It's super comfortable. I can wear it for hours on end sitting, and it's just all around, it's great. I'll let you guys have one more good look at my sticks and how I just tied a little knot right there for my aider, which I like that. And I might end up upgrading to like a double aider. If I do that, I'll just buy it. But I like this because you could just fold your steps back up, wrap up the stick, come back to the top, wrap it up, right like so. Fold this back up, and then it hooks right back to your other sticks. So if you guys have any questions about any of my gear, or need a link to their website or the product itself, feel free to ask in the comment section, and hopefully I'll have some more videos out soon. So you guys don't forget to leave a like and just comment if you have any questions or concerns.